Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I would like to share with you some simple, basic, very mild and easy to make recipes that we used when our son and all of us were COVID positive. Now these are very simple. We are going to cover breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack and hydration recipes. And you may find them very mild, but please keep in mind this is specifically for COVID times.
One option is their favorite cereal with a boiled egg and milk. Toasted bread with jam, boiled egg and milk is also a great option. My strength improved. I used to serve him dosa or idli with a boiled egg and a quick chutney and milk. For this I used store-bought idli dosa mix. I tried to make dosas in cute shapes that he would like, and a quick and easy chutney. For the chutney you would need about 1 cup of grated coconut. You add shallots into it, 1 green chili optional, some ginger and some curry leaves and salt. Add some water and grind this well until it's done. For lunch, one very easy option is rice kanji or gruel with a vegetable stir fry and some boiled chicken. All you need to do for this is take some rice in a pressure cooker, add water above the level. You can add the salt either before cooking or even once it is ready. And cook it for about 5 to 6 whistles or until it is well done. To make the veg stir fry, we are going to take about 1 onion, whichever vegetable is their favorite. I used beetroot, and we're going to take a pan, crackle mustard seeds, add curry leaves, add the onions, and once it turns golden brown, we're going to add the vegetable into it, add salt, and then stir fry it until it's well done. You can also cook the vegetable prior to that in a microwave to make your work easier. For the boiled chicken, all you have to do is boil about half a kilogram of cut cleaned chicken with salt and pepper. Another very easy to prepare lunch is idiyappam with a Kerala style veg stew or a Kerala style chicken stew. For this I used store-bought idiyappam. For the veg stew, take about 1 cubed carrot, 1 cubed potato, half a cup of frozen green peas or fresh green peas, 1 cubed onion, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 green chili, which is completely optional. Then we're going to need a couple of whole spices. I have taken a couple of peppers, green cardamom, cloves and cinnamon. We need thin coconut milk, which is about a tablespoon of coconut milk powder dissolved in 1 cup of water, and thick coconut milk, which is about 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut milk powder dissolved in half a cup of water. In a pan, we combine all the vegetables, the whole spices and the thin coconut milk and keep it on the stove for cooking, and we add salt. Once it starts boiling, lower the flame and cook till done. Add the thick coconut milk and let it only warm, don't let it boil. Now once everything is ready, garnish it with coriander leaves and fried onions. Get a 1-pot chicken stew by adding chicken into this before cooking. Chicken stew, we're going to need 1 sliced onion, 1 green chili, which is optional, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 chopped tomato, and we combine all this with the cut and cleaned chicken in a pan. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon or half teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, salt, thin coconut milk, and then we let it cook. Once it starts to boil, lower the flame and cook it until it's done. And then we add the thick coconut milk and only let it get warm and not boil. And then finally, you can garnish it with tempered onions, curry leaves, and coriander leaves. As their strength starts to improve, you can even mix and match these curries and serve it with cooked rice. One simple and nutritious dinner is to serve cooked pasta with boiled vegetables and boiled chicken. I used frozen mixed vegetables. I cooked them in the microwave with water and served it with pasta cooked with salt and butter. Another quick dinner you can make is chicken mayo sandwich with their favorite cut vegetable. This, all you need to do is take cooked shredded chicken, add mayonnaise, salt and pepper. Mix this very well and spread the mix into bread. You can cut the bread into any shape they like and serve it with their favorite vegetable. One more dinner option you can make using the same ingredients is to serve buttered buns with the cooked chicken and vegetable. For snacks, I used to give him fresh fruits with Kada whole spice drink and chicken or mutton soup. In case you haven't seen our detailed video on hydration recipes, I will leave a link in the description box below and at the end of this video.
Thank you for watching. Until our next video, stay safe and happy kidding!